Hello everybody, Build It here, getting ready to do my video for the ProFi Box. I got a little ahead of myself and already opened the box. I haven't really looked inside, but we'll open it now. We'll look inside and see the contents now, so we'll all be surprised at the same time. So anyway, like that, this is the November 2019 ProFi Box from FilamentOne. So like I said, I cut the tape open, but I didn't open it yet. So packing material, which I will use for starting charcoal later. I've got a coffee cup. It's a ProFi Box coffee cup. Okay, let's make this easy. Just rip the damn stuff off, the plastic wrap they put over it. There's something else inside the cup, but I can't tell what it is yet because I haven't been able to get inside yet. Let's see. Get the box kind of out of the way so you can kind of see what's going on. My light's a little low. Let me turn my light up a little bit so that we can get a little more contrast in the video. So we got the coffee cup. Just unwrapped it. And trash over there. We have a cutter for cutting PTFE tubing. Those are handy. I have one of these that came with when I got the mothership box. I got the mothership box for UFO box, the 1 month, and so that I got the whole kit. I got I don't know, like maybe 9 yards of PTFE tubing from what's the company? Crap. I can't remember names. Capricorn tubing. So I got Capricorn tubing. So it's called Little Stroopwafel, which my wife will get because sugar is giving me a bad time. I won't discuss it. Somebody already said I gave too much information about that already once. So there's the cup we got this month, which is the ProFi Box cup. Awesome stuff. Let's see, the first filament that's out of the box here is, I can't tell what color it is. What color is it? It's a FilamentOne Pro Select Metallic Gold. Now I don't know if this is the same as the silk gold they have, which is they just had a sample in the UFO box. I'm kind of hoping it is. It almost looks very similar to the one from the UFO box. Let's see if it is. Pull the sample out of the UFO box here. Nope, not the same. So totally different color. So this is gold silk here that came in the UFO box. And this is the gold color here, so they're totally different. So I don't know how they formulate their gold colors, but obviously a very different color of gold between the two different ones. Anyway, this is more of a yellow. That's more of a rose gold color, I guess you'd call it. Okay. Anyway, the other filament for the month is FilamentOne Pro Select Neutral, which is sort of like a translucent, kind of clearish color filament. So those are two filament boxes for the month. Inside we also have the packing sheet. This month's group project. So I don't know. Anyway, they have a group project here. They got the accessory, which is the Teflon tube cutter, the Pro Select Metallic Gold, and then neutral. And there's the close. There's the sheet, so you can kind of see what it is. I highly recommend subscribing to this because it's very nice to get complete rolls of filament. You know, so yeah, it's, you know, it runs around a little over $20 a spool, so it's like $44 a month for the subscription. So it's, you know, considering that you normally pay $20 a spool for most filaments anyway, it's basically like getting the accessories, the cup and the PTFE tubing cutter for free. So that's always nice to get something free when you're doing all this. So that's pretty much it for the month. The project is this, I can't remember the guy's name, but I think it's probably the same guy. I'll have to look it up and see, but I don't know for sure. Let's do a quick look at the website and pull up the file for this and see if it's who I think it is. I can't remember his name off the top of my head. I've actually downloaded a couple of his models, bought them, you know, on on what's that site, like Cults 3D or one of those places. I can't remember which one I got it from, but I paid for it. You know, I buy models regularly. I'm not one who just sits there and gets all the free stuff all the time. I do want to help support the makers or the designers, you know, if I can. Let's see, website, and we'll go to, it's www.pb-nov 19. If I did that right? Yep, did that right. Okay. And we'll hit enter and have it go to the site. And let's see. The group project, yeah, Zane Rogers, Trajan. That's what I was thinking of. I couldn't remember the name. Yeah, so that's what I thought designed this. It looked like one of his designs. It's very Trajan typical design. As you can see here, a lot of his designs are very similar to that kind of very artsy, very engraved, very detailed models that he does, which is what I like about him. You know, because it really shows off the capabilities of your printers when you have a good printer. So anyway, that's where this comes from, and that's the project for the month that they did. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't hide the other sheets. Sorry, you don't really get to see what I just showed. Come on, get my mouse over here. There we go, my mouse in the right place. Let's see, turn off that one so you can see the web page. So yeah, so right here was the link, and it was Zane Rogers, which is at Trajan19901. You can find him on Twitter. I do follow him on Twitter, and here are his models, and they're very detailed. So anyway, that's where we're at. That concludes this video for the month. I hope you enjoy it. And we'll catch you next month. This is Build It, and we're signing off here. So we're done already. Hope you have a great day. Build It, out.